Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. Friends, today I want to tell you about my puppy. Friends, I have one small white puppy. मेरा पपी कैसा है? स्मॉल वाइट. और मेरे पास कितने पपीज हैं? Yes, one puppy. So, friends, here the words one, small, white are telling something about my puppy. यहाँ पर one, small, white जो वर्ड्स हैं आपको मेरे पपी के बारे में कुछ बता रहे हैं. These words are describing my puppy. We know puppy is a name of an animal. So we can say puppy is a naming word. So here one small white इस नेमिंग वर्ड को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं, उसके बारे में कुछ बता रहे हैं. फ्रेंड्स, आपको पता है जो वर्ड्स हमें किसी पर्सन, एनिमल, प्लेस और थिंग के बारे में कुछ भी बताते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? जी हाँ, उनको हम कहते हैं describing words. The words that describe a naming word are called describing words. So here one, white, small are describing words which are describing my puppy. Let us understand with some more examples. Friends, can you tell which picture we can see here? Yes, very good. It is a picture of a mango. Is this a naming word? Yes. Mango is a name of a fruit. So it is a naming word. Now, can you tell me how many mangoes are here? Yes, one mango. Here, the word one is telling us about the number of a naming word, that is mango. This word is telling us something about mango. So one is describing mango. So here one is a describing word. Now friends, can you tell me what is this? A ball. Is this a naming word? Yes. Ball is a name of a thing. So it is a naming word. Now can you tell me what is the shape of a ball here?
Yes, round. A round ball.
The word round is telling us about the shape of a naming word, that is a ball. This word is telling us something about a ball. So, round is a describing word which describes the shape of a ball. Now friends, can you tell me which picture we can see here? Yes, it is a parrot. Is this a naming word? Yes, parrot is the name of an animal. So it is a naming word. Now, can you tell me what is the color of the parrot here? Yes, it is green.
A green parrot.
So here the word green is telling us about the color of a naming word, that is parrot. So this word is telling us something about parrot. So here green is a describing word. So friends, the words that tell us the shape, size,
Color or number of a naming word
are called describing words. Friends, let us see more examples. Here you can see
A picture of a girl.
and we know that girl is a name of a person. So girl is a naming word here. And girl कैसी है? Beautiful. So the word beautiful is telling something about this girl. So beautiful is a describing word here. Now friends, here you can see picture of salty chips. Friends, we know that chips is a name of a thing. So chips is a naming word here. और चिप्स कैसे हैं? Salty हैं, नमकीन हैं. So the word salty is telling something about chips. So salty is a describing word here. Now friends, you can see soft pillow. So here we know that pillow is a name of a thing. So pillow is a naming word. और पिलो कैसा है? Yes, पिलो soft है. So the word soft is describing or telling something about this pillow. So soft is a describing word here. Let's see one more example. There are 3 black elephants. 3 and black are describing words here. They describe the naming word elephants. And a naming word is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. So there are 3 black elephants describing naming word elephants. And how many elephants are there? 3.
And which color do they have? Black.
So here describing words are 3 and black. I hope you all have understood what are describing words. Describing words क्या होते हैं? जो हमें किसी भी पर्सन, एनिमल, प्लेस या थिंग के शेप, साइज, कलर, क्वालिटी और नंबर को बताते हैं. Now friends, it is time for one activity. Let us read this sentence. The car is red. So here we are talking about the car. And we know that car is a name of a thing. So car is a naming word. So friends, car कैसी है? Car red है. So this word here is telling us about the color of the car. So the word red is describing the car. So red is a describing word here. Let us read this sentence. This is a small house. So friends, we are talking about house, and we know that house is a name of a place. So here house is a naming word. और house कैसा है? Yes, house small है. So here the word small is telling us about the house. So the word small is a describing word here. Now let us read this sentence. The tree is so big. So friends, here we are talking about this tree, and we know that tree is a name of a thing. So tree is a naming word. और ये ट्री कैसा है? big है. So here the word big is describing the tree. So the word big is a describing word here. So friends, I hope you all have understood about describing words.
Now, friends, what you have to do?
You have to think about any 5 describing words which
That describes you.
and write them in your English notebook. Bye bye friends.